A wonderful day from here, all the lovers of freedom. I'm bringing good tidings from our Lord Jesus Christ. I'm bringing good tidings from the Most High, the Creator that was never created. The only one that sees the ending from the beginning. God bless you all richly. God will keep us. For whatever place you are watching me from, the ancestors of that place will bless you. Because it has been written that where the soul of your feet shall tread upon, you shall possess your possession. So anyone that trouble you will be troubled. Anyone that is seeking for your downfall, they will go down. Anyone that have dug grave for you to enter, they will be the one to enter it. So just kindly share as usual. Our first sharer, God bless you. So you will be first in all your life endeavor. Amen. So we'll continue to do what we know how to do best. Star Prince, God bless you. Anyone that trouble you because of the activism you are doing, they say they want to trouble you or worry anything about you. Is Star Prince, God bless you. I can see you. Please, if you know you have not shared this very broadcast, you kindly share it. As we also do it together as usual. Let's do it together the way we used to do it before. Our pages remains under serious attack from all these shenanigans. But never mind, we'll keep on putting it there. We'll keep on putting it there. So that God will not come and ask us tomorrow. The reason why we did not do things He asked us to do. I think yesterday was Sunday, most of us were in the church. But one thing that is disgusting here is that I don't know why your pastor is not really reading the book of Mark 16 verse 15 to you. That said, go into all the world and preach the gospel to every living creature. Now, what is the gospel? Anything that contains freedom. Word that is not contaminated, that's the gospel. But I wonder why we still have a archaic idea up to today that we are not ready to do the needful. So is this a mandate for everyone? It is a must. It's something we must have to do. It's something we must have to do. It's a must, we must have to do it. And if you check up the heading, that's very, very interesting. Is there a special place in heaven for cultists? Because there is a video I saw how a young girl was brutalized because I don't know signal. He gave signal. And I want to be educating a lot of animals today. What you are killing yourself for today, this is not the main purpose why we were formed. What a lot of people are killing themselves for today is not the main purpose why it's formed. We have a multi-billionaire in Edo State, City Something Yahuna, or matter of every man or what. God knows what's happened. We are seeing untimely death everywhere. That is to say, nothing that has beginning that has no ending. So whichever position, whether you are number 4 man, number 10 man, number 0 man, at least, let's make a society a better place for everyone. The reason why anytime I see this disheartening event, I always want to try and educate us about it because most of us, we are doing something we don't even know how it started. We are doing something we don't know how it started. And we are not even interested to know how it started. And you cannot keep on doing one thing and expect a different result. Now, if you want to basically talk much about it, look at how it was here in Europe. You come to a time, these people will meet you in your house and beat you. But thank God for the European police. The Interpol were able to crawl down the cell. He crushed it down. Now, the reason why Wole Soyinka formed this very thing in 1952 if God not punish Wole Soyinka, I not say God not there, because only one thing Wole Soyinka could invent. He not invent electronics. He not invent water. He not invent any other thing. He not get one thing where he do. What Wole Soyinka could leave behind, it's closer to his grave right now. Non let me with Agbo was to put down an association that children are using it to kill themselves today. And this man is not seeing any reason why we even say, okay, now, the purpose why I formed this very thing is not for you to kill yourself. Oh, look at the purpose why I formed it. This very man is not doing anything about it. Now, why do we youth intend to entangle ourselves with what takes people's life easily? Yes, you are number one man. Have you ever one day, number one man, so and so, you write it in your CV, even in the House of Senate, you just wake up, hey, please, I'm telling you, Honorable President, I'm number one man, so and so, in Ugbo. I hereby sign this bill that the whole road in Ugbo should be tarred. Have you ever seen anybody like that? Certainly nobody. Now, it is very dehydrating when I see people, men of timber and caliber, yoke up themselves with this same very institution that you don't manufacture phone. All you do is to eradicate and take away people's freedom. You take away people's life from them. The purpose why Wole Soyinka formed this very thing, it is not what we are seeing today again. There was a purpose why Professor Wole Soyinka formed this very thing. Now, if I thought you want to ban anybody, no problem. But when purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. These people does not have orientation of what they are doing. IAICP is an international association for the improvement of colored people, #equality. It is global today. Our children that will give birth to today, the one we have that have sense inside, the one that the good parents give birth to, do you know they are going to embrace this very association? Because it's something that will work for them. This UNICEF, WHO, UN was formed by some group of persons. That now today something is global today. Talk about UNICEF. There are a lot of organizations today, all of them were private. The government later affiliated themselves with them, then today it is mega. Look at the Red Cross you are seeing today in Europe that most of you go there and begin to mend. Hey, why would I not give me this thing? Would I not help anybody? It was held by a private individual. The more they drives it, if government are seeing that they are doing well, what the government now does is to begin to give them empowerment. They give them empowerment to make sure that they are able to meet up to the demand of the people. Now, in that 1952, Wole Soyinka was the one that formed a Parade Confraternity. That was the first corps. To what I know, to what I've read about, he was the one that formed Parade Confraternity. Why does Wole Soyinka form it? It was for the students. Made them for get with it the rest upon. Something that will unify every one of us together. Being that some lecturers, if you don't go, if they don't see your pants, particularly the female, they're not going to want to give you the risk score where you get. Let's form this organization together. Let's form it together. So that we rest on this. Anytime they want to beat one of us, we come out and fight for what? Our human rights. So it was a confraternity that was formed to fight for human rights and social injustice in Nigeria. It was to fight for human rights. Now, fighting for human rights, does that make you to go and kill, behead your friend because of ordinary quarrel? No. That is to say, this very thing became a criminal element by the grace of God. We are going to be having a leader as soon as possible. We're going to crush down this nonsense. A lot of families, they send their children to the university. Instead of their children to come back home, we say, Mommy, I've graduated. Now they are dead body, they will come bury. The reason why I'm not happy, I'm not friendly with Nigerian government today, they don't come and fight one particular thing. Buhari came in and said, yes, a change. Look at the change we are getting today. Killing our society becomes something, that is, it has become something natural. That is not a crime for you to kill anybody. A guy did a video, not be TikTok now they call him, which have been sent to me. I'm not going to be playing it, but I'm going to be playing some parts where the girl was highly brutalized. Now, this guy mentioned the name. He mentioned the name. People, una way they beat am, so you are not the owner of that name. They give you orientation about that name. You are not the one that formed it. Why do you want to kill this girl? Why are you killing this very girl? It shows that you are senseless. It so pains me that we don't have patriots in Nigeria. We don't. That's just. It's a very dehydrated thing. I can't just imagine a girl like that was brutalized because you just do something to become famous. Wait till now the beat us so now former. What have you been able to do in your life? Did you even have a handwork? You doesn't have. You doesn't have. But these are what people are clapping for today. Hey, my boyfriend though is #2 man in Sakmomba. The other one will say, now let your boyfriend carry that same confraternity logo, quote all the necessary parakbo, and go to embassy. Will they give you visa to America? The only visa you can go is to enter through Nigeria and pass through Morocco. At the end of the day, so many demons will enter into him and he becomes something else entirely. But this is supposed to be a fight every one of us must have to fight. So Wole Soyinka stupidly, he formed this very menace, a terrorist organization, and he's not doing anything about it. Now, I do say it, most of the people will beat that girl now. With the wall of una man that girl rich, is still there alive. One of una fit beat that girl when it comes to blow to blow. Atono Joshua lose fight the other day now. Atono Joshua lose fight. So nothing lasts forever. Okay, what about tomorrow? You are in the midst of your friend, you the gamer. What about when you are now moving single? Okay, you succeeded in killing my brother. I come renew Tigminigu, for example, I will allow you to stay alive. Yes, certainly you are always you are being guarded by the FBI or the Itapo. You must go down for what you have sold. The reason why we are clamoring for this very nonsense, I don't know. We have the best pilot of the year. Atono Joshua, most of una senior, go and look at Israel Adesanya, the middleweight champion for kickboxing. He's doing well. But we are praising, if Cristiano Ronaldo, that you people clap for Messi, Drogba, and the rest, that you are clamoring for when they are playing football, if they were a cultist and they become a cultist, they become irrelevant cultists and they kill themselves, will you see them to be watching? And what impact are you making? Just for you to give identification, hey, come down there, fall down there. Okay, now, the girl tomorrow, now, whether I'm not killing, I don't know. But let me be playing this video to 1 or 2 persons. How the girl was brutalized. This is another one again. Please, Facebook, allow me to show this very head. This one also, you see what we are seeing in our country. I'm going to flash it. You see these are the things. Black man, the reason why I call them black monkey, a lot of you don't know. I think black race, some of them, it's not all, is the most useless race you can talk about in life. Most of you may want to say it's happening in every other place. Yes, it do happen. But our own is too rampant. Now you does not value yourself like this. How will Fulani value you tomorrow? How many times have we seen Fulani now maltreat our mothers the way this girl was maltreated? The way this one a person wife, tomorrow na person wife. Look at what they did to this very girl. Look at it. The girl was beaten mercilessly. Now, this is the society we find ourselves. Now, this girl brother now, even though not be anything tomorrow, he's going to hunt for. I guess he's back now. Please, if you have not shared, make sure you share. If you are not sure, maybe because I showed that very one. I'm not going to be showing it again. We're going to use our mouth to talk about it. Now, you know, when purpose of something is not known, then abuse became inevitable. I know there are people today, if you see them, you say, I'm so and so, you will like to be one of these people. But why there are people today, if you see it, you're going to use that same attitude, they look them. Now, if it is something that is lawful for you to be doing, why the European government, who have evidential value for humanity, why they don't give you a license here? Gay get license here, lesbian get license. If na street say, okay, now, with the way this man take form man, what they call it, Wole Soyinka, if the way take form man say na so it true be, we would have been having license here today. Okay, what are we, of what economic importance are we today? Inconveniencing ourselves. We have not been able to sanitize any state, even not for ESN today. Una the canon. If you use one, do go better for them. If you use two, go better for them. All your mother, most of the people that are beating this girl, their father cannot accept road to the farm. They couldn't say, no, this thing must not have to happen. Village where me there, let's go. We must carry war there. Those days, all these Okagele that become now a land grabber today, they are the one that the Enigi we send for an errand. If there's something happen in the village, please, let's go and fight to make sure we get this thing done. But today, reverse is the case. Now, why are we doing this to ourselves? And later, we start blaming the Fulani. The Fulani, they are killing us. I do tell you, we are a problem to ourselves. It is the way we are treating ourselves that make Fulani to always see us as an animal. Now, which country person we support you in this very thing you are doing now? Which other time will support you again? That's why if I'm robber come or no gunmen, there are killings everywhere in Nigeria. Killings, it became the order of the day. It becomes something fundamental. It now is something that's inherent and inalienable. It has now become a natural resources for us. And the so-called stupid, useless government that we have, they're not sent now because their cabinet, they are part of it. We are looking for a day governor will come. Please, play these people in where they belong. Look at the other one we saw in one secondary school like that. Whether I do college, me I don't make mistakes, allegedly. I think we saw it, I think it's off my memory right now. That a boy we were beating. I love the way the past students, they rose up and at get those people we arrested. We can do this thing together. Look at our society. Person now to even get pregnant of Peking. Okay, girl just come out. I later played the TikTok. I found out that what the girl did, it was what you people said before. You just want to replay it and you know, for merriment's sake. Then una want kill the girl. Una want kill her. Okay, what about the girl now become tomorrow? He now become like you tomorrow and begin to hunt for you. We got a lot of problems. I'm not going to be dwelling much on that. Then another thing again we have to look into here is if you look at it today, there have been deportations from all countries in the world. There have been a massive deportations from most of these European countries in the world. There have been deportations. Germany deporting, up to US, they are hitting hard the people from Haiti. They are hitting them hard, returning them to their country. And one question I want to ask all these world leaders who love deporting migrants. Would you think that if you intend to focus on the problem, why these people are leaving home, it will be more better? Tomorrow now, the Libyans, they may also want to leave home because they have economic crisis right now. Ever since Muammar Gaddafi have been killed. Please put in more love and light. Let's see if we can be able to put this video a little, please. Put in more love and like. If we can be able to push this very video a little bit more faster than this. And if you have not shared this broadcast, don't hesitate to share, please. You know, because of what we are really revealing from our page, that's why our page is under attack. You know that our word is not meaningful. I don't will not get a word. And thank God that not be my life will not shrink. And when I just want to make sure that a lot of people that used to hear the truth and what's happening in society, you people are cutting them away from it. And any one of you will get hand in drinking of my page. Now so God will drink on our life in a hurry. Any of you that have hand in the drinking of my page, now so God Almighty go cut on our life short. Whether a man or a woman, now you then send, you they report my page, and we be say not be my personal thing. I can't talk. My dear, the ancestors of Allah will call you. If you are from Europe, the European ancestors will kill you. If you are from Asia, Asia ancestors will kill you. If you are from Ikukuyu, because the reason why we hate hearing this truth and everything I've talked about, no one will never happen. come and tell me today everything that I've said. The one way done, where they say they sweep under carpet. It's just that because we are so stupid, we believe we taking things from the surface. That's why our society today remain how it is. Everything I tell you about Donald J. Trump, which is my grand patriot, the patriot in the world, and Nnamdi Kanu the second person. Every other one are Jebel. Because I love people who do something with their heart, who sacrifice all what they have. Donald Trump has money. He's a multi-millionaire. He has money. He come into politics. Why does he come? For liberation. But we are not seeing it. Okay, now, I'm going to be combining this, the immigration, whatever, and what's happening in the UK today. Do you know the UK Janjaweed? They need 100 trailer drivers. 100,000 trailer drivers. Do you know why the trailer driver they resign? Not everybody will feel push now. Hey, Brexit to one come out for Europe. You don't come out now. I tell you now, there is a fuel scarcity in UK right now. Most of you don't follow news and you don't know about it, and not be your fault. You know? They are still trying to push this old nonsense. They are still trying to make sure they push it. And people are helping them to put this same agenda. Now, why are you always doing what you don't know? The Bible said the day of ignorance go overlook. They need 100,000 trailer drivers. That's what they need. If you look at the heading there, I put it there. They need 100,000. Not they need. The UK need 100,000 more heavy goods vehicle, which is a HGV drivers, if it is to meet demand according to the Road Haulage Association, ROHA. It is googleable. It is rechargeable. It is not fake news. I don't give fake news. I have to do my verification. Now, according to the news in Spanish, how they bring it out, they say there are shortage of fuel scarcity in UK because of what? See, camionero, no trailer drivers. Then I now begin to ask myself, is this no new thing I'll be vindicated again? Do you know why? The people does not want to take the injection that you take. But it don't see no zoo and no let me go wagon. No we no gbele no gbebe dani treat ni. No fear walk be oyera bi yawo. Not be everybody they want listen to. But it doesn't cannot come and tell you the truth. Now, we all heard how Matt Hancock resigned the other time. Matt Hancock was also the one making an announcement today from Downing Street. Do you know what's said right now? There are some countries where they don't put red alert already. Please be putting more love and light. Let's push this video a little. God bless you. There are some countries where they don't put. I told you one last week that if you are coming, they may mention of India, they may mention of they may mention of Africa and the rest. That if these people come, they are going to be counted as people will never take the thing. I don't want me to flag this very video. Like saying this until they talk about. People will never take the thing, you know. Now, today again, in Downing Street, the press meeting they had there, Matt Hancock, the health secretary, was also saying that now there are people, there are lists of countries that are going to be bringing out, that are going to be in the red list. That you cannot go to that country and you cannot come back, you cannot come from that country to UK. Now, for anyone where they allow, so okay, you are free to come. Let's assume now, Nigeria are not the red list. If you come, 10 days quarantine with 2 compulsory VIT tests. Aye, Nnamdi Kanu, he saw it. He said mad people everywhere. It's only a madman that will not understand anything now. And this is still pushing. Come and defend it now. The reason why there is shortage, why they need driver. And right now, the so-called Janjaweed Boris Johnson, not let me with Wagbon. He is not saying to say that he wants to see how he can cut off the Brexit law to give natural giving visa to we wait there this other side. The man do agwe kami onuwa. Boris Johnson wa agbe. That's what they want to do now is there already. Because not be safe for not day, nobody to drive on. Food scarcity have been in UK. The reason why I didn't say it, because as me job be now, with the driver license where I get, and if they drive truck, small camion we get like 2 wheelers, 4 wheelers for back and 1 for front. We be like that big figurator. the highest bus I fit drive am. That honorary bus, all those high roof, long chassis and the rest. We that one can go to Amasin and bring in food. Anybody can drive it. But this very trailer where they carry fuel or tanker where they carry fuel, now special people they drive them because it need technicality and experience. That's why they could no longer cover it up right now. Now make their hands open now. Boris Johnson and Matt Hancock, the health secretary, is not ready to tell you the truth or the reason why they lacking supply. Because no drivers. As you don't put on say, no injection, no work. Now those ones drop work. People where they Spain inside, they Sweden, all of them go back and meet their family. They want to go find something, they carry your work, go. Now what Boris Johnson want to you start do now is to start maybe put on for it. If you know you want to work, come, we will pay you higher. They need 100,000 trailer drivers. That's what they need. If not, a UK and me a fool Yahweh people. Now they are not queued the way that they queue for Sapomba Road. We saw a video yesterday. How one Najaga do video come and say they go pull hole for a tank for where parking car. And you say that one never even happen for Nigeria. May you tell no say now UK now this thing for the combo when Nigeria takes power. So they go pull hole for a tank. They draw in neighbor on too. A lot of us have seen this video. What causes it? Are you ready to study what's happening in the world still? I haven't seen that the analysis I'm always giving you is fact and figure. No, you won't. Because you are still forming purpose there. That's how this whole war will end. You will be inside with that. Because if you are not rightly informed, you will be rightly deformed. The difference between a rich man and a poor man today is information. Not that the rich man gets ahead. He has information you don't have. They search for information. What makes me to be brighter than you in this field of activism? I don't just come, hey, I just look person here for Madrid. I look one for Ogida, I look one, hey, let me come. I don't humiliate anybody. If I make mention of your name, it's as a result of I want to use you to give a critical example of how a fool look like or how a nice person look like. That's why today, during my first example, I made mention of Donald J. Trump, which is going to be the king of the world as soon as possible, and the Grand Patriot of all patriot, His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. Why did I make mention of it? Because it's time we begin to tell ourselves the truth. We cannot remain like this. These people, they are playing you. Do you know? I'm no longer interested about who take or who not take. I'm not interested. But people are beginning to remember me already. Somebody we are going through pay called me and said, Newton, you want me. Are you going to forgive me? And I said, you have not offended me. He said, you want me, but I'm going through pains right now. He said no. So now you know. Defend Boris Johnson. There is a video. I don't know if I show you here that now it's going to look like. No, I won't show that. I want this video to remain. I won't show you. Now, what are we talking about? Look at it. You will come to UK as an immigrant. 20 years, you are still looking for paper. Waiting the paper where they give person. For you to know that this world is in a very big mess. And your Bible tells you that wherever the sole of your feet shall tread upon, you shall possess your possession. Why it is still hard for you today? What sin have you committed? Are you killed Jesus? Are you the one that killed Jesus? How is your sin so big that you cannot even be forgiven, even when you are not alive, when the sin was when the whole thing was done? So we're becoming too senseless, and we are no longer useful to ourselves. We are not useful to ourselves. It is good every one of us, let's be useful to ourselves. All this shenanigans will not help us. Let's try and blend to the system. Imagine where you not feel rich. Now your children won't come rich. At least reach the dormant. Maybe your children with the level based on say them born am here, and you can't use, okay, my dad show me this door. You tell me say something there inside this door. And my son or my daughter, there's something you must have to do to be able to enable you enter this door. If for your children to go to school here, study hard, that what will make them to go inside that door. You don't even know the door. What do you want to teach your children? Don't you know the best professor today are the parents to the children? If you are a mother, you are a father. Whatever you teach your child, you can learn lesson. Have I ever tell you one day now every quote I'll be quoting? Look at what my geography teacher used to say. We listen to geography teacher As a result of want to pass the subject and go to the next class. But your father and your mother, they are your best teacher. That's why I always tell you most of the time. My father was the one that told me that they are turned Pentecostal to become Pentirasta. Have you not seen it today? Is it not a Pentirasta in your own face? Have you really seen the real Pentecostal? No, it's not there. Now, what are you teaching your children? What are you showing your children? What legacy are you leaving down for your children? Proverbs 22 verses. He said, train up a child the way he should grow. He said, when it is old, it will not depart from me. It does not mean you teach him how to cook ogbolo. There are a lot of things you tell your child. My child, do you know you can become this tomorrow? You can become the president of the world tomorrow. My son, if you are a kofra, you can never be. Have you ever seen any kofra man that ruled the world that he was #1 man in a year in 1970? That now all of them, they must have problems. They are always hiding. They end up in America or end up in Morocco. Because what they have done, people must look for them. Who you treat bad today, it will look for you tomorrow. I told you, the people I was doing job for before, when I was in Nigeria, we are more in the same level today. You are in Jandamijan. You are in Jandamijan. We are more in the same level right now. There are a lot of things I can do today. They can't do it. They don't have the courage. Not that it's not legal. They can't do it because they are getting old. Everybody get the way they did. That's why you respect the younger one. They say the young shall grow. When you were 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, they say the young shall grow. Right now you are 60 years. When the young go to grow in your generation. That's to say we are living in a faith society and the people living inside have also faith. It is not too difficult. Let not be that is over too tired in knowing things around us. Become a critical thinker like me. Now, me I not even the see person where they look for this social media that they talk. It's not there. Thank God you even have me. I give you information. Go and read news today. There was one news that came out. The UK were trying to deceive themselves. Say there was no fuel scarcity. Okay, no fuel scarcity. Why did they go and bust people's tank? Why are you queuing up? Now, big Boris Johnson. Why are you talking about Boris Johnson? Boris Johnson. Because what that man has in mind for blacks, my dear, is too wicked. But if I'm saying it, a lot of you will start saying it's not a personal problem. They are not owing me money. I'm fighting for you. That's why if you come here and pray red head, even what I'm saying is for your own benefit. You may say it not concern you, but hold your red head, hold your comment, listen. And I'm doing something on your favor. Even your children, you cannot even fight for your children. That's how foolish you are. You cannot fight for your children. Now, what environment do you need for your children? Design it down. Is there an environment that is full of killing? Is there an environment that is full of oppression? Is there an environment that is full of lies? What environment do you want for your children? The kind of environment I want is what I'm fighting right now, even fighting for your children. Then why am I supposed to be your enemy? I may give you a preamble in any information I'm giving out. Just a preamble. You go and do your research. Become a critical thinker. How would this happen like this? When last did UK have this kind of fuel scarcity? There are people right now, they are not busting people's tank. Not be say they open and where they drift fuel, they go enter under, bust your tank, like say you did, with the color and disgrace here. Now so they drift fuel. You just use Toro razor and more pull hole. A fuel wagon. Now so they take 3% fuel. Do you think it's normal? Do you think it's normal? People are not putting gallows, going to villages, and small going fuel to the city. Before you know now, there will be explosion everywhere. Why this one now come made open to everybody? Because a tanker driver here in Europe is not just something you jump into. You can easily drive ambulance because that one a boss. They have their own special license. People even they drive tanker for fuel. They see the difference small from one where they carry goods. Because that one need a null of practicalities. There are temperature you go be. You get where you run, you see rest. There are 8 roads where you're supposed to park. There are roads where you're not supposed to park. So they treat you all this thing. Right now it's not there. He's not trying to open a free visa. Come apply. But don't say we are not coming. Carry your jant away UK. Keep people away one key. But you have questions to answer. Tomorrow, from Onaoga, you are going to be accountable to Donald Trump. When he come back soon, he tie and Obaseki. Boris Johnson go there, Obaseki go there here for Guantanamo. You guys are wicked. A wickedness was too much ago. What have this world done to you guys? What have human beings done to you people? We're not the left of give. What have human beings done to you people? What have human beings done to it? Boris Johnson have never want to make one speech concerning the excessive killings of Christians in Nigeria. But you people are there, praising him as a president. Hey, Boris Johnson, mena me Boris Johnson, ni awe Macron, Kereniki, be Leon. Imana be Boris Johnson fly in. Why I get all? If I see him, I go your head down. Wanna share the video with him, idiot. People, you just see that begin to manipulate their people. Okay, una don't come on for Brexit. This was Brexit. Theresa May that know that he couldn't face this very Brexit. Theresa May, she know. Now make can wrong. A lot of you does not read news. Me go to give one to you free for you to just think and digest is a problem. Copy and paste. Microwave human being. Go ask yourself, waiting made Theresa May come on for Downing Street. They look and say, now this useless Boris. Now I go come for perform this OR. Health secretary that resigned some months ago here. Now he did Downing Street today again. What happened to the other one? Matt Hancock right now is back as the health secretary again. Now why are they dribbling you? You can't ask questions. Go to work and work 18 hours and come back home. They are using you. What you are doing that right now, you are also giving your children for them to be used. Why not let's speak one voice? A lot of people are waking up already. Now few animals now, few will never wake up right now. People are waking up already. The very rally Donald Trump did in Georgia, in Perry, in Georgia, he taught a lot of things. Thank God people like Jegede Desmond. Jegede Desmond was here with us and some other names. You know, I live stream it 4 a.m. It was weird. People take over. Do you want? I'm just doing this thing for myself. Did I need viewer? Go see my YouTube for the past how many years old. Or man say 1,000 man worth. Have you ever seen me shout to subscribe? I'm on YouTube, one give to me. When I know that my field of job, if I go work once, I know how many hundreds of euros go follow me come on. Because I like creativity. I don't like idleness. I want to work, I'll be using my brain. That's the kind of work I do. That's why I'm not very good at farm work. If work finish for everywhere and I say now let farm work remain, maybe I go look and like say digestion, I may not even do because I don't like it. I want work that is full of technicality. You crack your head. Okay, put this one here. Begin to design. You know, it's not proud. It's just my nature, not be that one. And every one of us should exactly find something doing with his head. It's very, very important. Now they polluted Africa. They polluted part of this whole world. Look at Colombia today. Corruption is there. Look at Venezuela. Look at Cuba. All those places are corrupted. Even Mexico, not be Donald Trump can come now. One Mexican president, come, take off your people well. All this Salvador and the rest. Up to now, when Donald Trump was around, this shenanigans, they're not performing. Thousands of people right now are in certain border in Texas, wanting to enter America. You are putting a mask mandate for people where they say America. But what about the immigrant where you open border for? Are you screening them? Are they using face masks? They are not using. Then we're deceiving who? Do you know why they allow people to come in? Maybe for the see meat to the church. That's where they get their meat from. He is there in the media. The deep state, that's what they know how to do. That's what they know how to do now. That's why he now did Joe Biden on. He's regretting it already. He's regretting it already. He's regretting it already. Now, who want to come? Now, no country will not deport. No country will leave their border open. Spanish don't leave their own open. Spanish, Italy don't leave their own open. If they just see Lugar, you go enter. Suta Melia, people are still passing it up to today. But what you see for is a beer. But why must you purposely just open border, say me all of them they come in? Why? Why? So that made them for see meat, they cook their soup. But you don't know. You feed this very man, he hates everybody. He wants your own child to be saved. He wants every immigrant to be saved. Donald Trump, they pay Salvador. He gives them millions of dollars. Stay at home. Now, right now, what they do, people from Cuba, all those better criminals, where their government don't pay, they go open the border for them, maybe for they come in, come they perform havoc. So this was some of the reasons why this man brought border policy. But this safety where this man talk now is what is going to favor America. They are going back to it again. If you want to come to America, tell the reason why you are coming. Tell us, okay, you want to come and go to school. We'll give you free visa. If people don't still come, our artists are they not still going to America? They are still going. If they say they retreat you from coming to America, it does not mean every person. Strictly tell us what you are coming to come and do. That is the fact. Fill up a form, get your visa, what you are coming to come and do. Do you know they are trafficking children? They'll traffic them. Reach Mexico. From Mexico, they'll cross them. People, they look for their children. For Cuba, for Haiti, and Salvador, they don't go see their children. America. That's what they do. So every leader that comes have a reason why coming. That man came to come and put a lot of shenanigans, put them under subjection. But being a Mumuna, most of us, we don't understand what's happening. We hated this man today, not because of he don't do us bad, or he have support. Not only one don't talk about killing of Christians, the Fulani killing of Christians for Nigeria. He accused Buhari 2017. Why is a herdsman carrying AK-47? Buhari denied, say not be AK-47, say na stick that they carry. Was it not during the time while the one major general talked about the killing of, where they bring out their intercomer, that what these people are planned? What Boris Johnson doing about it? They are the one that colonized Nigeria. But how many of Nigerians today are they giving residence to easily? They will frustrate your life, use you for themselves. At the end of the day, they still deport you. Look at what Germany is doing right now. Germany is deporting our people. Germany is deporting our people. They are deporting our people. What are you doing about it? All German citizens know how to do is party. Every week they must go to party. Why they don't fix eyelashes? You don't know that they just want you and whatever to grow up. You feel boy you want it because you are senseless. If this world remain like this, no person will remain with his normal senses. You are going to be injected by one thing or the other. Go and mark my word. But it is too late right now. I cannot pray for what God have in mind not to come to pass because of you. Because God is coming. The trumpet will soon sound. And when the trumpet sound, a lot of things that is not supposed to be around us, everything must definitely go. I know what I'm saying. If you look at it, I picked up this very battle when it was very dirty. A lot of you today, how did I get far to this? People, even what they were supporting, you don't see them constantly supporting one, two things. He has supported me for 1 week. I told you Obaseki was a project or live and but or live and Obaseki is coming to jail. That is normal because of crime against humanity. But if you don't understand, I understand within day that what the spirit of God does not lie. He's going to dearly pay for this false injection where they give to people. Boris Johnson is going to pay. All of them that carry this whole thing will pay. And they are paying already. You cannot escape it. You cannot escape it. Being that, I was surprised. If Sowore was a patriot. That's why there's a difference between activists and a patriot. I saw Sowore, whether my person manipulated, I don't know. Or more or less Sowore. Nana Sowore, they put, say, go and get vaccinated. Nana put that logo. When shame don't already catch people, we put their own before. Nana Sowore, they put. I thought Sowore go to school. Who are bewitched Sowore? Nana, you are even not saying anything. So you not see no way till they happen. And Sowore is now. That's why Sowore is very. Let me use this word for. It's an ungrateful ingrate. Why did I call him ungrateful ingrate? I'm one of the biggest supporters. I free him from prison. Somebody died in Aso Rock for Sowore to be released. Now, this Bob Menendez, a senator from New Jersey, came out. Sowore's wife cried to go and meet this very senator. Maybe somebody link her up. Just what a woman or a mother will do for his children. He did it for Sowore. I not see one newspaper publication where Sowore thank America because they feel saying a bulls. He did not thank, and I'm not sure he sent special letter to that man. Say, Bob Menendez, thank you for what you done. A senator in New Jersey was the one that said, we are watching. Now make Nigerian leave Sowore. Now make Nigerian leave Sowore. Now you are now, what this Donald Trump is again. Okay, who can be you? Why now the race soldier? Small moment on our just gather. Make friends with people you know that can help you to actualize your dreams. Make friends with people that are patriots, not with politicians. Now maybe okay, you be badding. See where they come for all of them. Or what damn we are you no so worry. Or what damn no. Or what damn no. All of them are just the loose sense. All of them are the loose sense. Only what you are against, what is not going to affect you. Now people like you, they fight these things. So why not just keep calm the way you keep calm since? Why not just keep calm the way you keep calm since? Now president, now government of Joe Biden put you for prison because Joe Biden and Buhari, you know that they are friends. If you are sensible enough, so you should know that Joe Biden and Buhari, they are friends. Buhari government, Joe Biden government, what we are seeing in Nigeria there, because they love killing people. They love imprisoning people unjustly. That's what they did to you. But today we are seeing this whole thing. Nobody ready to fight a real fight. We are all fighting fight. We are not going to receive bullet. We are all fighting fight that whatever thing that happened made them for praise us. You are lettered. Why not read about it? Go to CDC. Go to FDA website and read about it. So all the news that are becoming. You are not becoming a Wole Soyinka of our time. I wonder, vaccinated for who? Dig injection for what now? I don't understand all of you now. I know it's your ideology, but let us be very frank and sincere at times. Whatever thing we are doing, let's do it truthfully. Most of us, we got children here on earth today. What we are doing right now, if you cannot repeat, there's a way you can get to your loved ones. When you were arrested, everybody else shouted for you. Everybody. But people don't see that we are doing well. But people like us who saw that we are doing well, you were correct, we're not so worried. If there's something wrong with you, go and correct it. Go and correct it. Now everybody, even Boris Johnson, no, something, the injection hang for their ear. Now you want to deceive your followers. You came very late now. I don't know what has happened to our consciousness. Huh? Consciousness might just be a problem, so. Huh? Everybody will just fool themselves. People you were expecting that will stand as a patriot. You all of you are just a fake freedom fighter. Fake freedom fighter. You are putting it there. Go and get vaccinated. Okay, who have asked you to do that? Okay, what are you going to gain if your brother, if really you are a freedom fighter, what are you going to gain if your brother is having infirmities tomorrow? What are you going to gain? Bandit killed your brother here. Everybody were in solidarity with you. There are things you don't bring to the public domain. I still have friends today. People who hated me 3 months ago, today, they are wanting to be my friend. Will anybody be your friend tomorrow over that nonsense you are doing? People don't know how to choose their battle. I choose a very critical battle, even when you are not seeing it. Now, so what are you going to do your research? Yeah, maybe you were one of the people that congratulated Babadi. You should be ashamed today, so worry, that Arizona election was a full fraud. And this is what you fight against. So what they go and confirm Arizona election. Let's fight and make this world become a better place. No, we won't. This is just our problem. We want to always get it cheap. Before you, if what is not real, don't support. If it is not real, don't support. I don't want to regret anything. I thought for pray, God show me. God have already showed to me how this is going to end that today confidently. I will keep on saying it until the grave is corroded. I know what I'm saying. The people that used to pray there before, when I started this over, go and look at it today. They are regretting, they are lamenting. So it be anti-men, chairman, his country now where they take support all this nonsense. No one way bad thing ever happened to. Look at what happened in Germany. Because we know they take record. Germany, they lost billions of euros over the fraud that happened to them. Look at Belgium. Look at every country that supported this injection. They have one problem or the other. Spanish own, it reached here. 20 million euros. Now the volcano eruption don't already cost already for Las Palmas. 20 million euros. Now the volcano don't do now. And according to news today now, it's about 80 meters. Some news they say 80 meters. Some news they say 60 meters to the sea. And when that thing eruption enter sea, it is another disaster. The thing even recon 6 months today, this afternoon. The eruption 6 months today, this afternoon. You know, it was able to subside a little. But the one that fell off happened in 1971, that one spent 3 months. That's why they are also saying that it may also spend another 3 months. People in Las Palmas right now, they are living in fear. About 6,000, more than 6,000 people have been displaced. 6,000 people have left their home. He have destroyed a lot of homes. The thing is coming 4 meters per hour, 90 they run. What about if it continues? Or if it continues to the wipe, don't you think Spain will be wiped off from the face of the earth? No scientific measure you can carry out to stop it. Go and Google what's called volcano eruption. That's molten magma. We were told, I heard about that magma when we in our geography class those days, you know. Grand go just carry the verse. If that thing hit house, that house go just melt and pass. It be like when a heavy duty caterpillar match a mud house. Now so they match and pass. You don't get remedy. But a lot of people are in Las Palmas there right now, some efulefus, who does not care. I was online today when my friend called somebody. That one they don't even know the gravity of what they are passing through there. And if that thing enter water, Natana, they are sharing from me. But this was Pedro Sanchez. He not give us COVID-19 money. They ate it. Thieves, they ate it. It's Eto Ozokwanania. I know what I'm saying. Pedro Sanchez cannot stand in my front now, make him talk nonsense. They did give us. They ate the money. But here my Zokwana, Eto Ozokwana, 20 million so far. And all you be number. You have quickly rather now come out to come and promise that I'm in solidarity with people that is affecting. But don't let your government bring reproach to the country where you are. That's why this thing where Donald Trump fight. So for 1,000 years, this nonsense not go happen again. 1,000 years, this nonsense will never repeat himself again. But most of you, are you in the struggle today for a better society? No, you are not. But you can go to make convention and go and serve your Jesus Christ of Janja with the UK, Robert Powell. You have been serving Robert Powell and nothing coming out of it. Why not also come and look for this God that me myself have found? That the God that make you to talk the truth, say the way it is, irrespective. So each of these countries, they have their calamity. Each of these countries that supported, that roll out this very thing you are saying, Jason, they have 1 or 2 problems they are facing. Now, you may be surprised, or it may sound very funny to you that this guy they lie because you are not informed. That's why there's deformity today in your society. I know they do the kind of program, I know they do local legal. My platform, by the grace of God, our platform, by the grace of God, is an international association. So we don't do things locally. If you look at it today now, we are not talking about young and woman. I only matter because we are not playing locally today. We are playing. Ask anybody from that I don't do the kind of program I do. But we're not lagging. They find a cheaper one they can digest. They find one from Rigro there. A woman knock, a back knock down a woman. Go and do your research. Put a lot of things on your head. Come and say it tomorrow. Close to 400 houses have been destroyed as we speak right now in the volcano eruption in Spain, in Las Palmas. Close to 400 houses have been destroyed. More than 6,000 people is homeless. Even yesterday here, local airports were closed down. About 40-something flights were cancelled. Because of the dust, Spanish people call it the cinza. They were sweeping dust from the airport, Akpole, or Oyoye Akpole Ken. And the distance, because the thing is everywhere. That is how God has been trying to repay these people back for touching where they are not supposed to touch. Every weather you are seeing today in Europe, everything is manipulated. As you see fake thing for human being body, now so fake things, fake weather day. There is something that will splink inside the river. That now the main river they overfloat. They'll come draw rain. This excessive flood you are seeing, many the more of you will not believe. There is a chemical they pour in the air where they draw rain. There's a chemical. Even if not Big Gate, we are stopped. This very year, there be no one more get some. Big Gate wanted to carry about 1,000 flights. Carry go spray chemical, make it cover some. Now, let's play a little game here. Do you think God just created this world and he made America to be 6 hours away from Europe? No, let's begin to critically. Let's begin to put a lot of things. I'm putting this one here right now as a preamble. Go and think it yourself. Do you think it is normal? Now, the whole earth, now earth today, so there was no way we are reading the Bible that Israel was having 2 a.m. while being those say we are having 2 p.m. Everything was the same. There was darkness upon the face of the earth. And like God commanded, let there be light. There was light. He put river everywhere. Now, how come America is 6 hours different from Europe? We go there, go break for here. They go break for here. Oh. America go day night. How come 2 a.m. in the midnight we not support the they see each other? In Scandinavia in no way. You will see the see person crow. What happens? Now, how come there is excess coal somewhere? Why there is no excess coal here in Spain? How come? Before scientists came in 1970 something, or let's say 1960s, were these things like this? Critical thinker. I think it's also called people call it Iroro. Let's begin to think. A lot of things were manipulated. They wanted to see this sun from shining. They wanted to see this sun from shining. Gate of hell wanted to see this sun from shining. You won't believe it because you are not a critical thinker. After all, you don't know. You are just living. They want you to live. There are people that want this world to end today. Not even God can stop them. The only thing God can do right now is to raise up people like Donald Trump. Donald Trump is the one that owns Space Force. Go and confirm it. You own Space Force. Get up. When he came in, when he keep on talking, thank God Jagere Desmond is here. When he was talking about how he funded American military, it was him that make American military to be powerful. It was him. That man, they use his money, they spend down. He's a multi-millionaire, he's a businessman. Desmond Jagere, you are here. If you can share that video among, if you have some people that are reasonable, near a video, child's play. Or you will feel the spirit that now God now they talk so. Not be lie. Not be lie. How many rally have, even when your president, a bad in Olemiwa, how many rally was he able to do? Send me one of his rallies. They are manipulating. Even food we eat here, they're pointing everything. Oh, food we eat. Food we eat is not organic. They are pointing it. Look at everybody sick. Everybody here, if you are in abroad, all where my manifest in you are sick. Oh. You are not with your reserve. Oh. The all food is poison. And people will say, oh, but will not be that wicked. Okay, God not kill you for Genesis chapter 6, verse 6. Was it not God that fell off or destroy you? Huh? At times people just they talk out, they look them. No, Ibo not for your game, I take kill everybody. God not fair kill everybody before. God not fair kill everybody and not be creators. Una papa no dey tie some of una. Or kagbo wagban so destroy egbe. Your man no most of una your partner been witch, not be destroy your mama children. Then why are you saying no Ibo where you meet yesterday? That you even suffer. Okay, what have they given you freely here when you come abroad? They played me 140,000 euro when I bought house in 2006. And they told me that it go be getting low. Oh, we're now swim with 600 or something. Or you end with 1,000 something. Only now they are going to return my ministry. I have a work case in Iban because that was your food their head. Now because our leader and our devil now make you they see all those people say they're too good. I know the area they are good and God will bless them for you. The area where they are bad, calamity will be upon them. This is not even a society you are supposed to raise your children. Why their children will what to do? Why is your children intimidating their children? Why are they insulting their father? Now the injection where they give them when they small. The vaccine where they give them when they small. 6 months, Dorie. He made those children to be wayward. He made those children not to have human sympathy. That's why they don't care for their father, they don't care for their mother. We don't have such vaccine. That's why today we care for our loved ones. I never see a boy where they send money give his friend. If he meet for a boy meet the papa for a bar, not be saying invite the papa say more go out. If papa go use money to pay. Or a boy picking and papa go they play ball. If papa de Madrid, he de Basa. If Madrid they win, papa shall to me go say papa kaya te gunwe baba. Baba wo ke pasa. He go cost you papa. How many of Nigerian people will do that? But those your children right now that you are giving to them, then you are allowing them again to give them the final respiration injection that will make the whole thing they are pouring into them. Now God, they save our children here. That's why you see some children here, they are very stubborn. Very stubborn. Most of you need to go and start praying. Not be Pentecostal church and go pray. Go and pray in select church. May God deliver whatever thing they are put into your own life and your children's life. You feel it is rosy. One their children, you're fine. You don't grow. No, look at the mentality of that child. Look at it. Is it different from your own? Does that child reason the way you reason? Is that child really sympathetic? Will he be able to do for you tomorrow what you do for your dad? People today, their children is the one encouraging them to go and take injection. Omonuwebie will be telling you about, no, not my dad. What they are saying is useless. And now you couldn't, he will force you to do it. Because it's a part of the system here. There is a word they use for them because their consciousness is very low. When they tell them something, they show them because what they teach them in school is the way that's going to favor here. They don't teach them what will favor you. So it's not left for you to begin to sat down your children. They what call Emio in my place. Even though you know they hear the language, that was how your father brought you up. He could say, my son, if you ever one day do this thing again, but you cannot threaten your child with that you have gospel. After all, Jesus Christ of UK is what you told your son. A brother was talking to me. He said his younger daughter saw his own senior brother wanted to tear the picture of this fake Jesus, Robert Powell. He said the little sister said, no. That's a photo de Dios, photo de Jesus. That is Jesus Christ picture. That was a tierra, not fake. I papa said no. He had it from me. He have gotten that impression right now that is his savior, and nothing is going to ever come out from there. Nothing will come out from that picture. So what they taught your child in school, what will favor the society, not what will favor you. So it's not left for you sit down your child at times. My dear world called Kokoro in our place. I serve my father and my mother. You have to follow this same thing. What you are telling my son, don't think you know more than me. You may know how to speak good English, but there's something I know how to speak. I know you can't understand. I have the God now, me born you. But children today is the one controlling their parents. Advising their parents about the decision they are going to take at home. No, that mom or dad, no, we don't give that bullshit, man. That why I don't cause that Okagbe, man. Because he doesn't know the use of Okagbe. I'm not that better. But the ancestors of the place, what they are teaching them, what the ancestors of the place doing menace. Hey, father can sleep with his own child and marry his own child now. No problem. So most of all, we have lost it. There is this time for us to begin. Don't look at your child that is growing big. But is it big in sense? Is it big to come and jam you with yourself, or is it just big to benefit the same society? How do you benefit society? They'll tell you, hey, you are very good in medicine. A medicine is active. Now you are pointing never. They are not reading it to help you. They are the one planting the sickness inside of you. They will come go see bring medicine so that made. If you look at the big farmer today, pharmacists, who get them? Not this ghetto. Ghetto of hell, onyana. That's why they create everything creatable. Put it into the hair, you breathe it and begin to every day by day, you eat medicine. What is your problem? Malaria anywhere, you are learning. Now, sickness not the your child will also read the medicine for them to be. How did they cook whatever thing they cook? When this man were calling it China virus, did you believe? He told them they are going to pay 10 trillion. 10 trillion, he give me Ruway, or where Ruway if you are ready. But will you stay alive? Just for us to unite together and speak one particular voice is the problem today. They make us to become a useless immigrants. At the time they give you a passport, they just give you for encouragement so that nowhere may you not remember think about house. They make you feel at home. They know where you are from. They know you are an idiot. They know you by your name. They know the story you tell when you come. So let's stop deceiving ourselves and start intimidating your so-called Edo brother that have no passport. He does not have anything to do. Did they pay you free money? They don't pay free. How can you? You are denying your ancestral home. In Nigeria, we are to be good. What are we doing here? The bad weather. They manipulated everything. Why snow not the fault for Africa? Why snow not the fault for Africa? Okay, now God created them. It was God that did it. Was God not in Africa? Now let here God come. Was God in Germany? Germany, where is it reflected in the Bible? Ethiopia not reflect. A Garden of Eden was here. Even all these things, so Asia even reflect more than the Europe. Only Paul the Apostle, he came to Italy. Paul the Apostle came to Italy. I know a lot of apostles also went to Greece, Hunters and the rest. And if you don't know what Paul the Apostle of Italy, when we are talking about the heart of men are desperately wicked, we know what we are saying. So our word has been very effective. You may see me that I'm fighting it. It is not attracting crowd. It's not all about the location. It is all about their location. It's not all about how many people watching at the time. It's all about when children will wake up tomorrow. Do you know? I'm going to be a lecturer to your children tomorrow, if you want it. We are going to decolonize their mentality. They have been concocted to them in school. No child naturally that is born here in Europe that does not know how to do computer. Even without them going to the school. I mean, it's word and the mentality just on your one winner. If they are very, very smart, but when it comes to creative ability, I don't you know when you why you see them flop up. Ask yourself on certain questions, he can't answer you. But give them computer nana. You know, like where they do copy and paste. Your child know how to speak good English, they don't make him to be intelligent. No, it's just a language. That's the measure, that's the same way most of our time measure the intelligence of our children. If you can speak the language, you can write. No, it's far beyond that. You need to serve them down. Children was called life. Children was called love. Children was called nature. Let me go to ask ourselves. It will come to a time. If you look at it today, global warming, global, what did they want for global? When Donald Trump came, he look at, oh, Bob NATO, I'm going to remove my hand from it. Now easy go yo. WHO, World Health Organization, no. They might not supporting weather climate. Do you know how much the Janja with the Biden budgeted in climate change? I think it's about 100 billion. No, 100 trillions. Your taxpayers' money. Okay, wait till do the weather. What's happening to the weather? They are the one manipulating everything. I say, early this year, sand fall for my city, sand. Why is over there? Sand fall. Sand fall. Manipulation. Okay, what are they doing there in the sky? What are they doing there in the moon? You won't ask yourself. They can go to moon, but you cannot be able to buy ticket and go to home. I hate when people try making you begin to use you for their agenda where you don't know how they take plan. Let them do it for themselves. Don't be the one to speak for them. Don't be the one to advertise the mercy for them. Discourage them about it. Or it was setting it was Apostle Alfredo, you know, sir. Or what borrow kakabo. Even though big any or the big borrow on my behalf. Because they feel me, they'll say this guy not the man. He was Apostle Alfredo soon now. Our grandpatriarch don't come back now. We what we make borrow on my behalf, or what we make borrow on my own behalf. Then you go shame. You better repent. Shame is going to come upon you. It is inevitable. Nothing changes it. This is not my word. This is what God has said. I'm persistently talking about one particular thing. The people that, that the one. May take a look at this life. This is our brother, Antonio Joshua. He lose yesterday. People not even shame. The way they take the carry and say, where did they put the right button? Are you pitying for this guy or you are happy over his failure? I don't carry such news. You are very happy carrying it, he lose. When that one tell don't kill himself, you went to go and meet up with a killer. You went to, the very day where that guy, see that guy say, he bowed down before, but I know that it's a failure. We don't have a star where they help us to fight this very struggle. That's the problem we have. not be the president give you power. Must you go and see him? Is it compulsory? Look at the people he's piling up. He reach or lose now. He don't snap picture with Obama. Who is Obama? Obama were the one who is cleaning those people today because he's the one that came among Gaddafi. Now the more open a sense. There are people I used to love. I no longer love them again because who them nego themselves. Wagbe bossing. Uma ego walk one. I don't know, just I don't know how to leave. I've celebrated him. You are an hero to your distance. Who is celebrating me? Has he prophesied anything? Look at how he lost the fight woefully. That to say nothing lasts forever in this world. Mona, Name Benise, or Magio Bonisi Bobonenya. Because what your Bonisi get, or Bonenya not get them. So the people you are seeing today, there is a way God does these things. At the time you know tomorrow, God is raising you up. You doesn't care about the poor people. Then whenever they are there, they Indomie, you have a village. But what are you fighting with your own voice? How many protests have you led? Stop this killing. You must lose now. Our people in no big boat cannot be dying. You are not talking to, at least you are a famous person. This is not politics. You can be a bosser the same time become an activist. For a better, you can also become a patriot. Speak about the innocent in our society. Not all about yourself. This was how we clap for our artists. They made money. Look at it today. They are still collecting money from politicians. Idris Abdul Kalam, what does he do? We were trying to take a step back from Oshomumu. Then Idris, we are against us. But the same people you supported today will be the same people tomorrow that will rise up against your struggle. Me, I'm a friend to you that are poor. The rich, they on their own. I want to make sure you got something to eat. That is fundamental. I don't negotiate, man. I will not say because I'm a giant. No, the people in Edo say their life does not matter to me. It matters to me. If you look at it today, me, I like to do fanboy things. I like to be in midst of men. Most of my friends, they are cultists. I have friends who are cultists. Also, I will not say because you are cultist, by some reason, I cannot, I may have to run away from you. But this attitude, what are you guys doing about it? But those things you are right now will not make me to mingle with you. If I'm doing program, I'm always inconveniencing people. Just for us to talk. Just only talking. I know a lot of people hated me. But today, they are coming back with shame. To come and say, Newton, you are doing the prophet, you saw it. Our traditional institution is polluted. That place, forensic audit need to be done about it, characteristically or otherwise. But today, we now find out that the second man, the command, is as corrupt or even worse than Buhari. Then who is not to be blamed? I'm supposed to not blame you. I'm supposed to delete your number from my phone as a friend because we are not going to the same direction. Follow a man that is going to the same direction with me. In idea. It must not have to be foot walking. In idea. At times I discuss with people what will make me to store your number and retain your number is your conversation with me. There's a boy, Harry, in Uronigbe. Let me see if I can, if I have his pictures here. If I have it, I'm going to show it. I told him I'm going to be humiliating him. It's going to be a peaceful humiliation. Imagine he sent 4 minutes audio to me and send another 10 minutes audio again. Now, if you can talk like this, why not make an audio? Send it for me. I will send it to Danija. Danija, please upload this in your page or your YouTube. It will upload it. It will also help in educating the people. You cannot make 14 minutes audio for me talking trash. When he here in Spain, I will be the one to stand at the midst of your domot. He will ladian with Wahari. Wuladian. A lock in one me, Osalobo no fan where he might be located. I will stand in front of your house. A go civil war, police locare. I will tell them who I am. He tell me I'm in support. I will give you that pro. Even if you human traffic happen, or I will not tell them near Sima where I'm work big pa. Or you don't need to anything. You don't do that. Yeah, humiliate you. And it's go to yeah, I call humiliate you. Or till you have to cut to beg for that trash in Ukalo. We are not mates. Everywhere we ready. Your father was a villager. Or we block where mommy, where mama, or where as an artist it is something. Everywhere ti bowa. Eri me bowa ni je uronigbe. And also, but he's still there today. Then Rudu Rewebo. Ewe and Rewebo Rewebo. Can you do what I do? You can't do it. Let me see if I get your picture. A preamble area no na. Itane we ya show example. Venu we ran we obi roni gbe we kini. We me that we ado ya tell me. Nu ya audio gun not audio for appreciation and we will follow him. The highest humiliation in life. Ya area no. Even though I did not even get the picture right now, I know I should I screenshot it from your wayward WhatsApp. When I get sharp man well a lady. Look at the idiot. Look at the idiot. Look at the idiot. He's hurrying from Ronigbe. I'm going to trace him to see where he's from. If your father told you are a slave, my father did not tell me I'm a slave. Spanish man was it. Tu idiot va moi tenir un problème muy grave. Tu idiot aquí es mi bosque. Aquí es como mi tierra. So what you are doing to people in Benin, you can't do it here. You don't record such an audio to people like me. Audio you are supposed to record for me. Chairman, thank you for what you are doing. Not talking trash. I couldn't even digest the audio. Even Tamave Babu no. Ovi Ronigbe. Iya we show example. Amayo mi la movi Roma. Movi yon ovi Roma mo. I'm going to use you as a scapegoat in this whole thing. Imaye mo picture my ladna de humiliate. But Emi my brother. Or Tima we me gbe ima we agbe na we bona. Ovi Ronigbe. Useless Ronigbe idiot. I'm here fighting for your community. But you are not doing anything. Why can he regard you that would done? What you are benefiting in Spain? What are your people benefiting at home? Harry to Agbeo. I want that people will food themselves. Why are you defending him? Look at him. Look at him inside the bed. I'm here in the sun doing video to protect you and your stupid generation. I told you, a promise in here, most of it boy. Until I come across you one day, where I said, not in Spain. Not in Spain. Aquí, they too in Spanish. Yage na ye bosque yaka. Do when I Spanish, yago go na ye bosque yaka. A forest man. He make be magbo. You don't talk to people like me anyhow here. Obi won't work him. And I stage man win anything. No, they don't know if you were dead them say me. We must say me. You are record you recorded 10 minutes audio we record again. But they love heinous even your society. You are not talking about it. Akpabobo no mama. A slave. Your father told you, Harry, your father told you you are a slave. What is my father did not tell me that. Teach your children the same thing. How to be a slave. Next time we are lying immediately. Yeah, a meko ya roy. Uwe kwome. Very sure picture and maybe people will start calling me and give me your details. You are going to be the first person in here humiliate with social media. Donald Trump for you. I'm here fighting for you. Even if one can last year November. Even on Sunana. We might dead very myopic and a justice stupid on it. A bovine, Australia wallow. He working. You that cannot even write your name. Where to spell Spanish? Yes, no Spanish in a yard here in laugh you a pain on can be poor. Because we won't dunk him. When I say why I'm with you, man, you or my head can relevance. What can you do here? You guys a little time where we enjoy a passport with Spain, but the illegal thing I call right now the thing has been intensified again. We are planning right now how we go to the embassy again and want these people stop this nonsense. Go to Belgium and then whoever passport that area, you know. You gonna pay express or my same Europe. It's not about €100. But our own year got a reno. Only my can't wear. No can't wear more than wagon. Stupid idiot. In a gear. Why are you, my brother? Thank God we are the same place together. Only you are down. We can win a jam. That is the same place together. Nonsense. You can how go police local. A police local no control when any can do go to me. They greet me first of all bonus there. I can't monta. Oh wow, come see. Because most of you are seeing me on media, I'm trying to talk about the nonsense we are facing. We marry men one day. We marry men odugbo one day. Nonsense. I will be in a man. They'll deform Odunga. What are your heart? Let me show you the picture again. I have an association registered by the federal government of Nigeria. They may be drinking my video, but there are facts in what I'm saying. There is fact and figure. Is what every reasonable person will fight for. No, look at the Nikompu here. Look at the idiot. I don't know how to complain on people. I compliment you. I will compliment you irrespective of whatever thing you may be doing. If you are not doing it, we will correct you. Well, la media will correct you. Well, la media, come and be doing video. People are making it. People cannot go to Benin today strictly because of where we're not done. Then you are here flexing. All by my yagbe. No, we are here enjoy do. A man so now what people get do mighty like do. Where to where we allow. We give ourselves problem here. Oh, that's one now. Do you know we are going to give ourselves problem here time to come? Okay, what am I? Okay, why are you doing say you? And if any binaba for a better society, we will revoke it. Then we investigate everybody. Human trafficking, we will revoke it. Look at all these idiots. I'm a man with a mega matter. What I'm not doing for my personal selfish interest. You have the right, you have the infantry. We're not you give me. No totone doni fiang on gbelu wa wagbon o ma no gi mu edo e ni no ma o ne do lawo da o no ma o ne do be in a state of Eldorado may even na collapse upon that person on your born working wati go come to media and swear that kind of cause. It should be what every one of you supposed to be doing if you are not senseless and useless, if you are not a nikompu and a charlatan. It should be from A to Z or man no when e do get lawo da o supposed to be your cause. Don't figure it to one person that speaks. Well, what I'm urging all of you today. No anything where God will bless you. Or manogi mudia yo ne nogi no when a doge la without. May that person may he with that. Can you cause it? You can't. Because who will let you a career? Look at your career you people form. Go and check my father's history. It was a force to reckon with. You are useless. My father left down a legacy. I should be able to continue from where he stopped. He was a lettered man. Or let me watch you go one day. Show me your family house. I also want to bow doya bowa neruwa wapa. My father trained all his children. Nonsense. If you are not capable, shut up your mouth there. Thank God I was even having a good background. Where trace Erime Odugbo one day. Was my father a villager? Then you have the infantry. Where the audio give me? You are talking rubbish. Up till now, I have not seen an apology from who are here when. Yeah, why you show example, but I'm going to show you to show example. Thank God they Spain and we so much aqui in Spain. Problema muito grave. Problema muito grave. If care is not taken, we will appear before the law court. You cannot fight. You live in the same country with me, whereby human rights is exercised to the apex. Not even Pedro Sanchez or a president of Spain. I know my right here. It's my right to speak about the heinous that has happened in any society. Due to my calling, I'm not a criminal. My city were ready, 18 were taken away. I was the last man standing. They recorded me, man. I would have gone for it. I've been verified and tested. You are useless. In a way, I can't do anything in life because I have license to my working tools. Bugume dekunwe. Yeah, driving can't dekunwe. Yeah, if you you it is license. Every time I think about why we so person be so nicomporious human being. Then you are lying down on your bed. Your mate today not doing well. They cannot sleep with two knitted eyes closed. They cannot sleep. Then you are enjoying a weapon where Magbenadi. Oteru we se man. Oteru we o se man haria. E hari no win of Uronigbe. Uronigbe Togbu. These are how you people kill Uronigbe. Until no single development there. Go and look at Igweben. Igweben have their own local government. Igweben local government Igweben. Have a Wawe Uronigbe local government. Not even that Orion. Who is going to fight for it? You won't fight for it because your father was also a Nikompu, the same way you are. Yeah, in such a parents you were by. I want to know where you are from. Maybe now is a way one person will figure himself out. Mamuwa, okay. If I cannot see a leader who are I'm going to use you as a scapegoat. I'm going to treat you like an animal. One way, yes, everybody you get the way today. One way I'm not alone. Or you know I get both time. I don't give up so easily like that, particularly when I've not committed crime. I'm women when 2004 we my illegal entry. That was the very day in Binimami house one. Until they tell me the reason migrating from my home is a crime. This was what a leader cost. I was arrested and taken to detention. They said I entered. What is my offense right now? I came here illegally. A boat yari. Then you want our people to keep on suffering, and some idiot are sitting down for natural resources. Then you are there supporting them, Harry. Emi ya no kwa Spain on we. Uri ro papa. Wa do bo wa evoke no or can consume man. Because if no one bueno. Next time you don't dare freedom fighters. Please good day everyone and God bless you all.